Nice. Alright, so there you go.
Alright, so now it's time to take out this water pump right there. Okay, we use 8 mil on this one. So this is what the water pump look like right there. There's about what, 7 bolts, 8 bolts. Yeah, so this picture right here is to install procedure from 1, 2, 3, 4 zigzag. Okay, taking out the water pump, you don't need to go in order. There's a guide pin right here and a guide pin right there, so make sure line those up before you put the bolts in. All right, here we go. Let's take out the water pump. There's gonna be coolant coming out when you take this water pump, so make sure put a towel underneath. Go on the other side now, bro. So you can see we put a towel on the oil pan right there so that we don't want the coolant to go in there. We did drain the coolant already, but I know that there's some coolant in the block that is gonna drip into the oil pan, so make sure. Alright, so it's out. This is what the new one look like right here. To pry this out, there's a little tabs right here. You put the flat screwdriver right there, or pry bar. Same thing on the back. There's 2 spots that you put the flat screwdriver. So yeah, hold it slowly. There you go. Coolant's gonna come out. It's gonna start gushing. Nice. Alright, so there you go. This is what the old one looked like. Needs to change it. Make sure you get the bucket right there. Get the catch for the coolant. It's a mess because I forgot to put the bucket before we take out the coolant. Alright guys, here we go. Here's the brand new pump right there. Make sure double seal that thing. There's always have double seal on this Lincoln. 3.5 or 3.7 is all the same. Okay, clean it up. We clean everything up. Scotch-Brite everything. And here, this is what the procedure of installation right here. Tightening in first stage is 89 inch-pound or 10 Newton meter, and then second stage is 45 degree. Okay, so here's a procedure right there. You put the bolts, tighten up from the middle, and then work your way out. That's the number. So make sure to put the water pump in. Yeah, line it up. Hand tight all the screw, and then we'll bottom it out, and then we're gonna torque them to spec. Alright, next we're gonna use this dial torque wrench right here. This one is 10 Newton meter or 89 inch-pound. Okay, so start from the top, dump number 1. There you go. When it clicks, that's when you stop. Alright, so that's stage 1, torque to spec, 10 Newton meter. Now we're gonna go 45 degree angles next. Let's go. Alright guys, here we go. Angle torque wrench right here. This is a really cool tool. I've been using this a couple times already. So you go 0 to 45 degrees. So it's not much. It's not much. Alright guys, check this out. This is our setup right here. Okay, there's a lot of adapters right there. Alright, so we'll clamp this here. Alright guys, so I had to clamp it on that side right there so we could go to the 0. I'm on 0 right now. Okay, right there. So we're just gonna go turn this to the right, go to 45. It's hard to see, so here we go. Keep going, keep going. There you go, right there. It's hard to see from the camera, but yeah, right there. 45 degree angle right there. So that's one of them, and we had to do 7 more. Alright, so number 8 right here. I had to go off camera because it's hitting to the frame. I just did like a regular ratchet right here. Start from 12 to 2 o'clock and you're good. And you can do that for every bolt in here. There you go. That's how you install this water pump. Torque respect, all the 8 bolts around it. Okay, make sure you got that seal in there. And then next, we'll continue and put the sprockets, everything, guides, timing chain, tensioner. So stay tuned, follow the channel, follow this video, give me a thumbs up, and see you guys again on the next one.